Hi there, students. Manslaughter, murder, and homicide. What's the difference between these three? Okay, these are all talk about killing people, and the most general word is homicide. Homicide talks about the killing of a person. Yeah. This side talks about killing. Homicide is talking about one person killing another, whether it's intentional, whether it's unintentional, whether it's premeditated, whether it's not premeditated. Then we have manslaughter. Now, manslaughter is a bit more difficult to define, but for me, primarily, this talks about intention. Yeah, when you kill somebody, but not intentionally. Yeah, it wasn't premeditated. You didn't think, right, I'm going to kill this person, and then you go and you take a weapon and you go and find the person and you kill them. That is murder. Whereas manslaughter is killing a person when you didn't intend to do it. Yeah, although in various different countries the definition varies. Very often as well, manslaughter is also defined as when you are committing a crime and somebody is killed while committing that crime, but you didn't go out to kill that person. That would also be manslaughter. And I think also they use this word manslaughter as well to talk about when you are grossly negligent or grossly irresponsible. Yeah, you are so irresponsible that you know this could have killed somebody. Yeah, you didn't go out to kill somebody on purpose. Okay, so homicide just says killing people. Manslaughter says killing people either by accident or not with malice aforethought. It's not something premeditated. Manslaughter, you don't go out and do it. Or also manslaughter is where you kill somebody in a moment of passion. Crime passionnel. Yeah, so maybe you come home and you find your soon-to-be ex-wife in bed with your soon-to-be ex-friend and you get really upset and you kill one of them. That is manslaughter. Because notice, you didn't come home with the intention of killing either of them. Yeah, and that's why it's manslaughter. However, if you discovered this and then waited several days and thought about it and then went and killed one of them, that would be murder. Okay, so manslaughter, it's talking about the reason why. Yeah, what lies behind it, the motivation. Yeah, and manslaughter is killing but without the motivation to kill, whereas murder, it means you have the motivation and the intention to kill, and therefore murder is the most serious offence. Manslaughter is less serious, and homicide is a general term, because notice, you can have a justifiable homicide. Yeah, if you're defending yourself from somebody who's trying to kill you and they die during that, that is defined as justifiable homicide. Yeah, it's not a crime, it's not manslaughter. So homicide refers to murder, manslaughter, and justifiable homicide. Yeah, whereas manslaughter talks about you didn't mean to do it, you didn't intend to do it, or maybe you were not responsible for your actions. Whereas murder is premeditated and you are thinking about doing it. Okay, so let's see. Murder, informality, 5 informality, use absolutely anywhere. comes from Old English morthor, unlawful killing, from Proto-Germanic murbra, murder, killing, Proto-Indo-European mrito, killing. Notice as well a murder of crows while we're at it. Manslaughter. Well, slaughter comes from the verb to slay, to slaughter. Slaughter talks about killing animals or killing a large number of people. Yeah? And slaughter comes from Old Norse, slatter, meaning to slay, to kill. From Proto-Germanic, slahana, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European slack, meaning to hit or to strike. Yeah, so you've got you're trying to kill them. Notice a slaughter of iguanas, and then homicide. Okay, it's from Latin homicide, meaning to kill, from cedar or theda, meaning to cut or to kill, as in suicide or patricide or something like that. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Murder, manslaughter, and homicide.